How to manage notification in Disney Plus. Welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how to manage notification in Disney Plus. Now, managing notification for Disney, you must use the device system settings, as the app typically does not have an internal notification menu. Now, depending on the type of device that you're using, you want to open up settings onto your device and locate notification from the list. When you go to notification, click on app notification, and here you will be able to find Disney Plus. So toggle a button, and accordingly you could also go ahead and make changes with the information here as well. So you can go ahead and customize what sort of notification you'd like to receive and all that stuff as well. And this way you'll be able to manage notification in Disney Plus. So likewise, you could also go ahead and refresh, or maybe make sure that your app is updated to the latest version as well. And this way you'll be able to manage notification in Disney Plus. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.